Hello traders! In this video I would like to explain in detail what to expect in Fibonacci Trading Bootcamp, December 2nd through 13th. First of all, this is the first time in 2 years Bootcamp available to new students. I constantly do a couple of times per year Graduate Bootcamp. Graduate Bootcamp was available only once in January 2019 to graduates. 2 new students. Last time the bootcamp was available almost 2 years ago. This is first time in 2 years bootcamp available to new students. What else is different about this bootcamp? What else has never been offered before? This is the first time bootcamp includes Alpha Fibonacci software with Genesis strategy. Bootcamp December 2nd through 13th included 2 new November and December members. This is the biggest discount ever offered. Consider this Hanukkah and Christmas gift. Discount of almost $5,000. For new students, I have only 4 spaces available. So if you click below products and click on Fibonacci Trading Bootcamp, a lot more details here. As you can see, for the first time ever, Alpha Fibonacci Total Trading System will include Genesis software. It's never been done before. We never had bootcamp with software. Alpha Fibonacci Genesis Total Trading System with multi-market scanner, sold entirely separate, is more than $3,000 package. Will include 10 days of live recorded trading bootcamp, another value of $2,000. For new students, I open only very few spaces. It will never be offered again, I promise. I guarantee you that. Only this time. Never again I will offer live Genesis Bootcamp with Genesis Trading Software. Only this time. Never again, and had never been done before. So in these 10 days of live, new Genesis trading strategy and live interactive bootcamp, you will be mastering brand new Genesis software, brand new Genesis strategy. This Genesis strategy can be applied to any instrument, any time frame, with precise entry stops and targets. You will master how to trade with institutions, with multi-market scanners and trade recognition software. You will learn how to trade like a pro. You will master execution with Alpha Fibonacci trading system and proprietary Alpha Fibonacci strategies. You will learn how to trade less than 10 hours per week on any instrument. You will learn how to trade with ultimate accuracy using proprietary Alpha Fibonacci tool. And again, for very few new students, this bootcamp included only in Total Trading System package, in group course or private mentoring. After the bootcamp, Genesis software entirely separate package. As bulletproof software entirely separate package. Will be entirely separate member area. Never confuse the two. Again, this is one-time deal. With graduates, we will have entirely different conversations. For new students, this is a phenomenal once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. It will never be offered again. Any questions? If it's not clear, please do not hesitate to contact me. Simply call or email 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. Thank you, traders.